Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 KTM RC 390 lightweight sport bike. This one's got the ABS brakes, 390 cc's of fuel injected lightweight power, really gorgeous metallic blue and orange paint scheme, ABS brakes, traction control. Wait till you hear that exhaust system. It's also got the frame sliders. Come on by and check this RC 390 out. Make your KTM dreams come true for just $53.99, only 306 miles. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.